Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use School AI. First, familiarize yourself with the main dashboard, which is your central hub for all activities. This is where you will find quick links to your courses, upcoming assignments, and personalized recommendations. Spend about 5 minutes exploring these initial sections to understand the layout and available features. This foundational step ensures a smooth start. Discover the core functionalities by clicking on the subject tabs, for example, Mathematics or History. Here, you will find curated content, interactive quizzes, and helpful tutorials tailored to your curriculum. The AI assistant can often provide a concise summary or break down a difficult problem in less than 20 seconds. These tools are designed to streamline your learning process. To truly benefit, establish a regular usage routine. Consistency is key to improvement. Set achievable goals, like completing one extra practice module each week, to build your knowledge steadily. Always remember to use the AI as a support tool, not a replacement for critical thinking or your own problem-solving efforts. This approach enhances your understanding significantly. For more advanced engagement, consider customizing your learning paths to focus on specific skills you want to develop. If you encounter any technical difficulties, the support section offers detailed guides and tutorials, usually resolving common issues within 10 minutes. Should you need further help, a dedicated support team is available to assist you. Make the most of this powerful resource.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.